Hi, this is Greg. You haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back now. And just to put it in perspective with a little dad railroad joke, I'm back on track. I have a couple of things to show you today in our first video in a while. We're going to talk about a model railroad exhibit I was able to see this fall in Gibsonia, PA at the Western Pennsylvania Model Railroad Museum. Now, the Model Railroad Museum has a wide variety of exhibits, all the way from little tykes, such as this O-gauge train, to the main HO scale layout that is on the second floor of the building. It depicts Pittsburgh in the 1950s and is really an amalgamation of the B&O and Western Pennsylvania and Pennsylvania Railroad lines that ran into the city and went from Pittsburgh to Cumberland, Maryland. It depicts a number of sites and landmarks that exist today along the Great Allegheny Passage that connects the two cities. It really shows the old Western Maryland B&O line that forms the Great Allegheny Passage. And if you get a chance to see it, I would highly recommend it. We also have a few real train photos and videos from Fairport in the viewing station at the CSX line. And finally, we have a couple of bike vids. So enjoy yourself.
Go, Mace, go!
Well, I hope you enjoyed this first video in a while, and we intend to have a lot more coming soon. So thank you, and if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. It helps my modest little channel. Take care and enjoy yourselves.